Hey Dana, I'm a new fan. I really like the fact that you dislike the peeling, because I used to leave that stuff on all the time. But I got a present for you today, and it's gonna be fun. Check it out. New smoker. And guess what's going on with the new smoker? It's warming up. It's at 61 degrees, started at 49. But look, there's a problem. There's a little problem. There's a little problem. Oh no, I can't get it off. Maybe it's supposed to stay there. Definitely not. It should definitely come off, don't you think? Yeah, I got it. Ah, you can do it. You can do it. Son of a gun. Ah. Oh. Oh no. No, no. No. Ah. Did you hear the crinkly sound? It was terrible. I know. But you're welcome. And we'll see you next Thursday.